I started noticing that my hair was kind of getting a little thin around 30. I had a shiny patch at the back. It was embarrassing. I realized I was losing my hair, and it got me really scared. My looks are very important to me. I'm an actor and a model. I knew that millions of people are losing their hair every year, especially men that spent thousands of dollars on surgeries, procedures, and products that just don't work, or they don't look good. I wasn't ready to accept the fact that I was becoming one of those people. Based on what I saw, I figured that there was no real solution for me out there. And maybe it's time for me to start looking for another career. But then, a friend of mine showed me LUXE Professional hair fibers, and that changed my life. It's literally my confidence in a jar. LUXE Professional hair fibers is a temporary solution that I can put on in seconds, and I'm ready for any role, audition, any job, anytime. I style my hair, I add the fibers, spray it with hairspray to seal it, and in less than 20 seconds, I have a beautiful full head of hair. It looks totally natural. The colors, the texture, the fullness. I mean, even if you look at my hair up close, it looks totally natural. You won't be able to tell. I've tried some other brands before, but they just were off. I mean, just off. And it felt cheap when you looked at it. The second problem I have a very sensitive skin. And I was very concerned about the itching and the redness that appeared after using it. LUXE hair fibers are hypoallergenic. It is certified by renowned laboratories and clinical testing as safe to use for all skin types. LUXE Professional hair fibers are absolutely undetectable. The natural shades blend perfectly with my hair, and no one can notice anything apart from my real hair. I can work out, I can sweat, I can run, I can jump in the ocean or in the pool, and it doesn't come off. It's so inexpensive. I've got one in my office, I've got one in my car, I've got one at work. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I'm always ready for my close-up. LUXE Professional hair fibers has changed my life. I'm working, I'm dating, I'm happy. LUXE Professional hair fibers is literally my confidence in a jar.